The Tina2 Mini 3D printer arrives fully assembled, making it an excellent choice for beginners and children who want to dive into the world of 3D printing without any hassle. Equipped with a fail-safe auto-leveling feature, this printer ensures that the bed is perfectly calibrated, saving users from the tedious manual adjustments and enabling hassle-free printing. Its semi-enclosed design and lightweight build make it a safe and practical addition to any classroom or home environment, with a compact print area that fits comfortably on a desktop. The dual Z-axis design contributes to high print quality, achieving a precision level of 0.1 millimeter, making it suitable for creating detailed educational models and intricate designs. Powered by open-source firmware, the Tina2 Mini allows for extensive customization and DIY upgrades, catering to hobbyists and educators who appreciate flexibility in their projects. The flexible printing platform is another highlight, as it allows for easy removal of completed models by simply bending the plate, eliminating the need for additional tools.